What's up, everyone? Welcome to another episode of Follow Me Around Marshall's Edition. I am so excited to come to Marshall's because I saw my friend Hannah Bell find the semi-sweet chocolate palette from Too Faced. And that is the goal in today's video, to hopefully find that palette. Cross your fingers. But before we walk in and check out the craziness in there, I wanted to let you guys know that I will be at Generation Beauty San Francisco this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, July 21st and 22nd. So if you're going to be there, please, if you see me, come say hey, let's take pictures. I'll be vlogging. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it, and let's go see what we find at Marshall's. Just walking in and it's already a gold mine. Look at all of this. Look at all of these. Semi-sweet chocolate bar, $24.99. Here's one out of the package. I feel like I have this palette, but I'm not sure, but they have loads of them. And ooh, they have a sleek product, brow intensity for $4.99. Bare Minerals. What is this? Bare Mineral eyeshadow palette for $16.99. They have the Naturals Matte, a chocolate Soleil for $12.99. I don't think that's $12.99. I think it's cheaper. I think it's mismarked. And then they have the Naturals Matte. Oh, I already showed you guys that. Ooh, the Glow palette in Aurora. This is, I think, $24.99, but it's not marked. And they have Clinique, Boscia, Peter Thomas. What is this? Ole Hendrickson. Ooh, MAC. Twisted Black. And then down here, lip palette from Anastasia. Sun Bunny, $9.99. See, I knew it was mismarked. Ooh, Lorac, $19.99. Guys, look what I found. This is a Guerlain terracotta bronzer, but it doesn't have packaging. It's like the first time I ever see this brand in Marshall's. And they have a lot of Stila foundations, medium, for $7.99. And then I found this Too Faced glitter powder in gold for $5.99. Guys, I found Guerlain terracotta in the packaging and it is $19.99. So exciting. I've never seen this brand here. And this is super, super high-end. It's like bougie high-end. And then there's Milani, Anastasia, Sleek, Elf, Too Faced, Makeup Revolution. They even have these right here, and these are $2.99. Ooh, look, they have this elf set for $19.99. Ooh, look at this. Too Faced Melted Latex, $3.99. A mini. Ooh, sleek brow kit, $4.99. What else do we see here? Makeup Revolution. Ooh, look, you can paint your hair. Makeup Revolution. Ooh, they have the gold highlighter, $14.99. Shiseido, and look, they have one of those like roller things, you know, like Nurse Jackie, but for $19.99. Look, they have that makeup cleaner thing. What is this? Ooh, Lancome. They have a lot of Lancome eyeshadows. Lancome. This is a lipstick, I think. A rouge. Oop, there's a Smashbox. There's more Too Faced Bunny. Becca Aqua Luminous Foundation in Fair, of course. They don't have my shade. And here's your highlighting section. Lorac. Dolce & Gabbana. Ooh, this is a really good perfume actually. And this is $49.99. Alright, let's check the sales or the clearance. Clearance section. Ooh, NYX glitter. It's opened. There's Gigi Hadid, Smashbox down here. Oh, $12. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. It was a success. We found the semi-sweet Too Faced chocolate palette. I can't even speak, but look at that highlight though. Don't forget to like the video, thumbs it up, same thing I guess. Share it, and I'll see everyone in my next video.